Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna demonstrate a cool feature of ChatGPT-4o Canvas model and how an OpenAlgo user can make use of it to do automated trading using ChatGPT, right? So the recent model about ChatGPT is not just about it's not a new model, but there has been some recently there has been some new feature addition has been happened in ChatGPT where you can do perform the in the canvas. You can not only write codes, but you can also execute the codes as well. That's one of the new module. So first let me go and log into the OpenAlgo here. So I logged in into my OpenAlgo and I'll go to the documentation. So here is my documentation. Let me go to the documentation and straight away I'll go to the Python section here. Now in the Python section, as you remember, we have this content over here. Like I'm having this OpenAlgo, how to log in, right? How to access the API key here. So that I'm gonna give as an input to ChatGPT. I'm gonna say like to this ChatGPT-4o canvas, I wanna say I want to place 100 quantity of order in Reliance, right? And then I'm gonna say like using OpenAlgo. So I'm gonna give the sample code over here. Here is the sample code. And obviously the sample code requires an API key here. So obviously I have to give the API key as well. So I'm gonna go to OpenAlgo. I'll go to the API key section. I'll copy the API key. So here is my API key. Let me copy this and then I'll say like this is my API key, right? So this is my API key. I'll send my API key here. And then I'm also gonna send the place order function as well. So here, if you could scroll down a little, there is a place order example is here. I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna send this over here. Now when I press enter, right, it just writes the place order code. And the interesting point is like so it says like the strategy is Python. Maybe if I'm not comfortable with Python, I can say like maybe I'll say like chat GPT. Strategy name I'm gonna give like chat GPT. And now if I try to run this application, let's say I'm gonna run this, you can see that it's installing the packages and running the code and it is executing the order. The order execution has happened over here. If I go to the order book, I should be seeing this order, right? If I go to the strategy logs, so let me go to the logs here. You can see that the order Reliance 100 quantity is getting punched and it is coming from ChatGPT, right? Let's try with something like Zomato. Maybe I'll try with Zomato here. Zomato, okay. If I would have tried Zomato, you can see that Zomato order has been placed. I should be able to see the Zomato order 100 quantity over here. And not only that, we're gonna do something cool. So we're gonna go to an interesting one. I'm gonna do a split order. So let's say this is a split order example. I'm gonna say like I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll say, hey, I replace place order with split order. Okay. For the symbol. So I want some. I want the symbol to be like some FNO symbol, and I want exchange to be like exchange is like NFO. These are the parameters I want, and quantity what I want is so quantity. Which I want like 6,500 quantity, and I also want to set like split size. I want to set like maybe every order I'm going to transmit like 400 quantities of order I want to transmit. So here is the sample code. And also I have to give the sample symbol as well. The sample symbol, I'm going to go to OpenAlgo. I'll go to the search. I'm going to find an option symbol from the NFO exchange. So let's say something like Nifty 25,400 December call option. So this is a symbol. I'm going to take it up. Let me copy this OpenAlgo symbol. Remember, you have to give only the OpenAlgo symbol only, not the broker symbol. Let me go to ChatGPT. I'll send this and yeah, once I send this, now you can see that the code will be completely realigned. Hopefully it just realigned it. It maintains the API key here. and it's also changing it to split order. It changes the symbol, it changes the quantity, split size. It's sending a market order MIS. Let me try to send this. You can see that the complete status, it's sending an order, but what do I get over here? So it's sending us like 400 quantity over here, right? All the orders are getting triggered. You can see that it's happening. And I can also send this in an analyze mode as well. So in analyze mode, what happens? So in analyze mode, let me go to API analyzer. So right now I'm yet to send an, I'm going to send like the same order I'm going to send. So it'll be captured in analyzer as well. You can see the instantly order is getting fired, which means everything is coming from the cloud, right? And you can see that instantly, I think it executes like a local execution. That's the most interesting part. And I'm able to see this new order. This is a message, and you can see that all the messages, it's like instantly it is sending like 16 orders it had sent in a shot, 17 orders per se. Each and every order size is 400 quantity. Total size we had sent is like 6,500 quantity. So I thought this ChatGPT-4o model is pretty cool, and I think it has a lot more potential in the field of trading and investments going forward. I think the realm is shifting heavily towards AI, right? So see you in another interesting video. Thank you. Bye-bye.